How to change the Snapchat profile picture. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Snapchat. Now go to your profile. Now at the top left corner, tap on your profile. Again, click on your profile. Now tap on Edit Avatar. Now select your hairstyle. Select your hair. Now select your hair color. Now adjust all the settings. Now after you are done, tap on Save at the top right corner. You can also tap on Change Selfie to select another selfie. Now tap on Done. You can also choose your pose and background. Now select background and click on Save. You can also change your outfit. Select your outfit. Now tap on Save. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.